This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now let's take a look what is going on currently on the gold market. Well, on the gold market, guys, on the daily time frame, market at least currently behaves in agreement with the bullish perspective. I mean that nothing has happened that could destroy the potential and possible continuation to the upside, because as we said, for bullish development it is preferable if market first will hold above the weekly pivot point, second, if it will be possible, will hold above this trend line. And for bullish development it will be much better if market will show some upward acceleration out from this parallel channel and erase the reversal quality of this, as we said, probably as we call it, wedge pattern, rising wedge pattern. Although, as we also discussed this moment, we do not see any exhausting moments with this wedge with the market. It's no divergence with the MACD, nothing of that sort. But still, it has the shape of the wedge pattern, and it will be perfect for bullish development if market will erase the reversal quality of the wedge pattern, will force to wedge to fail, beg your pardon, and will accelerate to the upside. That will be just perfect development. If market will show the downward breakout, well, immediately it will not mean that the upward continuation will be destroyed totally, because we in fact could get some kind of the ABCD pattern to the upside. That's also possible. But this probably will postpone this potential action to the upside, or even really could destroy it, because market here, if market will break it to the downside, that will open a door to the risk that market probably could continue move lower, or at least to reach the previous lows. That will be possible. That's why, as I said, from the bullish perspective, it will be much better if market will just continue move higher. That's why currently market stands towards a significant support area. You can see that is the crossing of the weekly pivot point and this support line. Market still holds above it. Let's see what will happen. Hardly something will happen, some drastic will happen before the FOMC. But today probably we will see the solution of this current riddle on the gold market and in general on the other markets as well. On the 4-hour chart, we'll see that market is starting to move. Market has shown this upward breakout of this upper border, but don't be deceived with that, because gold market is very cunning. I can't even call it as the real breakout currently, because it's still close stands to this border, and for gold market it's still nothing. It's very easy, could show some splash move to the upside and returns right back. That probably it's too early to treat it as the final breakout and possible for the upward continuation. But still, here I see some interesting moment, and particularly it links with this top. Why this top is significant? If we will take a look again on the daily time frame, we have discussed it previously. The market almost has reached the 1618 extension target of that initial ABCD pattern. A, B, C bottom, 1618 extension stands slightly higher than this previous swing high, and that's why I see the possibility for trap here. That's why be careful and be aware of the wash and rinse of this high, because in this area stands 1618 extension that hasn't been hit yet, and market more or less now is gravitating to this area. Second, here we see the weekly pivot resistance 1 area right above this area. So how it could happen? What could happen at the FOMC meeting? Since we know that target stands slightly higher than this swing high, and take a look now at hourly time frame. Here we have the possibility for the inner butterfly cell that has the target right at the 1618 extension of the daily time frames around 1384 area. That also stands slightly higher than this swing high. I can't exclude the possibility of the wash and rinse. Taking into consideration the habit of the gold market, and probably you all already understand what I am talking about, since we see already many times the wash and rinses, different spikes and other tools of the management's traders punishment. So that's why we know that gold market is rather cunning, and that's why I can't exclude that market could really show some reaching of the target of the butterfly at the FOMC meeting, at the increased volatility, hit the tops, hit the 1618 extension of the ABCD patch on daily, grab the stops that have been placed here, complete this butterfly, and turn to the downside. Maybe this will not be the drastic turn to the downside, right? But that really could trigger some bounce to the downside, some sort of the wash and rinse could appear, and be aware of that. This really will be really the screams around it if this will happen, because this will be very painful for those who holds shorts and have the stops somewhere above the swing high. By looking at the gold market, that could really happen, especially this very amazing combination of the different targets that stands slightly higher than this top. This increase the probability that this top could fail and the market could show the wash and rinse, either the wash and rinse or just break out of this area. But be aware of the wash and rinse. This really could happen on the FOMC meeting. Well, currently I do not see much to trade here. You can see our butterfly has worked yesterday, so market really has tested the support area. That was, by the way, this trendline support. This trendline support also on the daily time frame, the longer support, and that weekly pivot point stands in this area. That's why market has tested it and bounced to the upside. But currently I don't see much to do. Maybe if market really will show the wash and rinse returns right back below these lows, we could try to make the scalp short here, but currently it's very difficult to predict how price behavior will develop right at the FOMC meeting. That also for those who have the skills and experience of trading in such turmoil as the FOMC meeting. For others, it's better to step aside, wait when this doom and gloom will finish, and then make the choose the reasonable direction of the market in what particular direction you would like to trade. That will be much safer and probably easier to do tomorrow. For others, if you still would like to dive in this really nightmare with the FOMC meeting, well, take a look, take care about this possibility. Keep in mind this possibility of the wash and rinse of these highs returns right back. Maybe this will be not bad opportunity for scalp short trade. Well, nothing more. In fact, I see currently here to enter long, where we place our stop somewhere in this area. Risk-reward ratio will not be very attractive. Entry short here after the breakout and potential upward action when trends have shifted to the bullish side is also not quite reasonable. So we have only two choices. First of all, starting with the completion of this butterfly and watch for the wash and rinse if you're a scalp trader. Well, for others, probably it's nothing to do today on the gold market, and better to wait when this riddle will be resolved, and market probably will show us the new direction where we will be able to take the position in the market will come down after the FOMC meeting. Maybe this will happen tomorrow.